Post your products each and every single day. There is no way you're going to sell products that have not been seen. Take photos of your products and upload them online every day. Be consistent. Uploading a new product every single day, upload it every single day. And make sure that those products that you're uploading are available. Making money selling products online. This is the trend now. The easiest way of making money right now is selling products or services online. But today I want us to talk about selling products, selling clothes, selling selling cars, and whatever that you want to sell online. Before starting to sell online, you should choose the products that sell online, because it's not that every product sells online. There are things that people want to walk in and buy. So choose the best products that you can really sell. Choose the best products that are going to sell, that people are really going to want to buy online, that have been proven that people are buying them. The second thing that you need to do if you're going to be successful in selling online is creating online profiles, creating social media profiles, as many as you can. Create a Facebook page, a Facebook account, create a YouTube channel, create a TikTok account, create an Instagram account profile. Post your products each and every single day. There is no way you're going to sell products that have not been seen. Take photos of your products and upload them online every day. Be consistent. Like if you're uploading a new product every week, upload it every week. If you're uploading a new product every single day, upload it every single day. And make sure that those products that you're uploading are available. Give as many details as possible. The name of the product, what it can do, its purpose, where it can be gotten, how you can ship it, its price and everything, and the contact. Some of you post products online and then forget to put the price. And let me tell you something about prices. Some of you say, okay, I'm going to use this one as a method or a trick so that the person won't know the price and will be able to contact me. I personally fear contacting people if I don't know the price of something, I don't know the cost. Why? Because I don't want to contact you when something I expected to be $100, $1,000 US. I don't want to do that because I'll be disappointed and maybe I'll fear maybe something like that. So whenever you give as much details as possible, you're going to get to tap into the right clients that are going to come to you. By the time the person calls you, you know that they don't have a lot of questions because you've given them the product, you've given them the details and everything. Facebook is right now one of the best places to sell online. Why? Because there are a lot of users, the market is ready. Facebook Marketplace, that's number one. Facebook groups is number two. Make a profile in the Facebook Marketplace. Right now you can make a profile there and then sell products maybe either locally or internationally. But in the Facebook Marketplace, it favors more of local product selling. Then, if you're selling internationally and locally, you can sell in Facebook groups. Share as many times as possible every single day. 10 times, 20 times, just give it a gap, like 10 minutes or 20 minutes and then share in another group, 20 minutes and share in another group so that it doesn't look spammy for Facebook. I post videos like this one every single day from Monday to Sunday. So if you like this video, please give it a like, comment down below, share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. My name is Shammah Benefits. See you in the next video.